Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Escape. Stock number is 18F621A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, cloth interior. Second row seats are in great shape as well. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back, you have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have power locks, windows, and mirrors here. Power adjustable seats. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.